Each semester, the University of Missouri hosts an open enrollment period in which students can enroll in their courses for the upcoming semester. Here's some information that will help you prepare. Registration for fall courses always takes place during the spring semester in March. Registration for spring courses always takes place during the fall semester in late October to mid-November. Students' enrollment dates are set by the Office of the Registrar. Each student is assigned a specific date and time for their enrollment period. Please note that your friends might have a different assigned date and time than you do. The registrar and your advisor will notify you that the campus early registration period is about to take place through your campus email. This is usually a couple of weeks prior to registration. To learn how to find your specific enrollment date, please follow these next steps. Log in to myzoo.missouri.edu using your paw print and password. Click on Manage Classes, circled in red. On the left-hand margin of the next page, you'll see a section that says Enrollment. Click on Enrollment Dates. You'll then see when your specific enrollment date and time will be opened. Please note, if possible, it's best to schedule an appointment with your advisor prior to your enrollment date. Please also note, if you attempt to enroll prior to your enrollment date and time, MyZoo will prompt you with an error stating that your open enrollment period has not yet begun.